The Matrice 210 is an image platform that adapts to your needs. This video will show you how to mount the upward gimbal. Mounting the upward gimbal kit. Align the 4 screw holes on the upward gimbal kit with the screw holes on the upper aircraft shell. Note, the red dot on the port needs to point in the direction of the aircraft's nose. Tighten the 4 screws. Fix the cable buckle on the side of the aircraft with the 3M gluon as shown. Mounting the adaptive ring. Align the red slot on the adaptive ring with the red dot on the gimbal mount and push the adaptive ring up as shown. Rotate the adaptive ring to the right to lock it in place. Ensure that the adaptive ring has been mounted properly. Mounting the external GPS. Loosen the buckle on the right side of the landing gear and remove the landing gear. Remove the 3 screws on the landing gear base and remove the base. Mount the external GPS and tighten it with the 3 screws. Mount the landing gear and fasten the buckle. Open the port cover at the rear of the aircraft and connect the CAN cable to the expansion port. Ensure that the plug of the arrow faces upwards. Mounting the upward gimbal and camera. Take the ZenMuse X5S as an example. Align the white dot on the ZenMuse X5S with the red dot on the gimbal mount. Push down the gimbal as shown. Rotate the gimbal and camera to the left to lock it in place. Ensure that the red dot on the ZenMuse X5S is aligned with the red dot on the gimbal mount. Thank you for watching.